Should I buy or sell metamaterials? The report for metamaterials was first published on our website Friday, December 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 21, 2022, our system ranks metamaterials as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.618. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 108.64% since we first told you to buy metamaterials 30 days ago. This is an average return of 3.62% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for metamaterials, our last headline reads, Metamaterials stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The metamaterials stock price gained 0.270% on the last trading day, Friday, December 2, 2022, rising from $1.85 to $1.86. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 7.18% from a day low at $1.81 to a day high of $1.94. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 3.92% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -591,000 shares, and in total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.77 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3.53, and the lowest price was $0.630. Right now the price is 47.42%, or $1.67, below 52-week high, and 91.48%, or $19.91, below all-time high. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 130.13% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 88.65% and 199.04%. The 12-month trend indicates a -40.50% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -90.05% and -29.84%. This equals a price between $0.185 and $1.30 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, metamaterials stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a buy and price to book a buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for metamaterials. The metamaterials stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.87. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $1.43. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 21, 2022, and so far it has fallen -16.99%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 50 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for metamaterials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.68 and $1.62. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, metamaterials find support just below today's level at $1.68. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.62 and $1.46. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.130 between high and low, or 7.18%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 9.28%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, metamaterials meets first resistance at $1.87. If you do not hold metamaterials shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, metamaterials finds first level of support at $1.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for metamaterials is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 16, 2022, Harding John R. made an inside buy of 126,000 of common stock. On November 11, 2022, Rice Kenneth L. Jr. made an inside buy of 68,830 of stock option, right to buy. On November 11, 2022, Waldern Jonathan made an inside buy of 904,826 of stock option, right to buy. On October 25, 2022, Welch Thomas Gordon made an inside sell of 500,000 of exchangeable shares. On October 25, 2022, Welch Thomas Gordon made an inside buy of 500,000 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 8.903. In total, the insiders bought 19,604,686 and sold 16,676,017 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.76, minus 5.26%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 8 days ago. Is metamaterials stock a buy? Metamaterials hold several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 5th, we expect metamaterials to open up $0.0133 and start trading at $1.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to